Hello and welcome to Couples Questions that we just Googled.
It's actually on Pinterest.
Sorry, that we just Pinterested. I don't think that's a word.
Pinned?
We just pinned.
I didn't pin them, they're still on Google.
We just unpinned. I'm Jay and this is Tati. Or TT, whatever you want.
It's whatever you want. I answer most things.
Tatiana.
Don't call me that. Keep it short and sweet.
Short and sweet. Sweet tea.
Exactly.
We like to
I'll
call
answer
that.
to that.
I'm on a low dose tea. I think you're on a high dose.
I'm pretty high. I'm actually not.
I wish I was. What's the first question?
Have you ever been skinny dipping?
Silver Lake.
No. I've gone midnight swimming at Silver Lake. I've never been skinny dipping.
Really? Oh well, do you have to be completely naked to skinny dip?
I think so. Because
Then I guess I haven't either. I
think stripping down into your underwear is pretty close, but that's basically a swimsuit.
So,
right?
Yeah, so that like defeats the purpose of it.
How many pillows do you sleep with?
80.
It's at least 8. And a body pillow.
I wish
But we need to get more.
I
also include like 5 stuffed animals. But those get kicked off.
Are pillows queer culture?
Maybe.
Because I like to drown in
I just want a bed of pillows. There's never enough.
There's never enough pillows.
I need, as a caregiver, somebody who takes care of old people, they have a lot of pillows. You have to put one in between their legs, under their arms. They can't be touching. They need head support. They need one up here so they can breathe. It's just gonna get worse with age. So I'll invest in pillows.
Invest in pillows.
How big is your house? We have a 1-bedroom apartment. We can only fit in the kitchen when we open the fridge. What do you typically have for breakfast? Breakfast sandwich.
Fruit snacks. Or
That's not true.
Or a granola bar. Hey, okay, it's partially
I
true.
feed you other things. That's what you eat.
Okay, if she's here to make food, then yes.
Yeah.
But otherwise, sometimes just water.
Have you ever fired a gun? Wait. Yeah. No. Yes? A real gun?
Does a BB gun count?
Yeah, does a BB gun count? I fired a BB gun.
I think that counts.
Don't know if I'm gonna fire a real gun.
I'd try it.
I'd
go to a shooting range. I wouldn't
try it on people like others.
Maybe one person.
Maybe or a couple people.
A couple people.
But not after.
I mean, for legal purposes, this is a joke. This is
why they talk about their guns like not a joke.
I just don't want the FBI man to write me. The FBI man is always listening.
They are. Have you ever tried archery? I have. At that 5th grade camp everyone goes to. I was the only girl in the group.
I did also try archery.
And I want to get
it's really fun.
Bow and arrow for myself. Favorite clean word?
Clean word?
Like when I'm trying to not cuss in front of kids? Or clean word that's not a cuss word?
I think just clean word, like word that's not a cuss word.
That's my favorite word. Serendipity. I don't know. That's just fun to say. That's not my favorite word.
Who is that lady that keeps walking by outside?
What does she have, a pan?
Sorry, we're like, there's a big window right here.
That's like the 3rd time she's walked by.
And she keeps walking by and she has a Karen haircut and I can't get over it. I do not like that haircut. I'm one to talk.
Yeah, you take scissors to your hair every day. No, that's not true. What do you
Not anymore. Don't know what my favorite word is.
Yeah, I don't know either.
My
favorite swear word. Is that her again?
That's literally her again.
I don't like that haircut. I need to talk to the manager.
That's what I'm saying. That's Karen.
And I got
that's
a black husband haircut.
Oh
my God. Kids are mixed. And you can't bring nuts to school because my kids are allergic.
You can't bring nuts to school.
Probably the one that was falling through the ceiling this morning.
I don't know what was going on upstairs.
They were so loud when you left.
My favorite curse word is probably the F word.
Yeah. I like bitch.
Am I allowed to say that on here? I've decided this is a swearing only channel.
Alright.
No clean words. Only swear words allowed. Biscuit. Butter my biscuit.
What's the longest you've ever gone without sleep? 86 hours.
86?
Yes.
Dang. Say I'm 48 hours. That's probably the longest I'd stay. I like sleep. I'll cut a bitch. I don't sleep.
That's really true.
It's really true. Sleep and food.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. It's bad.
I am hungry. Do you have any scars? I have a lot of scars. Should I go off? I have matching scars on my hands because when people smoke cigarettes around you and you're young and you just move a lot, sometimes the cigarette hits your hands. I don't know. They're from different times, both of them, but they are still there. What else? I got lots of scars on my arms. One time I walked into a nail at Macy's, so there's a hole in my arm from that. From animals. Sometimes when I walk past fences, because I'm gay, so I can't walk straight, I just bump into a lot of things. I have a lot of scrapes on my legs from walking past like open wires and fences.
As much as I hurt myself, I don't scar very easily, so.
That's nice.
Yeah, I don't really have, like, the scars that you have aren't visible.
I also have the one in my eyebrow.
Yeah, you have that eyebrow slit. Oh my god.
Natural eyebrow
It's natural, guys.
So I ran into the corner of a table, and I think it was a glass table, so that's either way this, and then this I ran into the TV. Have you ever had a secret admirer? No?
No, no one admires me. No, I definitely have.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Look at this face.
I have. I don't remember his name, but I remember what he looks like. It was in like 3rd grade. One time, so it was like, I guess, I don't know, he liked me through the summer, you know, so like school ended and then summer, and then like we had the same bus stop. We were going to different schools at this point or something like that, but yeah, I was like getting on this bus. It was supposed to be the number 2 bus, and the bus came and I got on the number 4 bus. And he was like, that's not the right bus, and I was like, yeah, it is. My mom said it is. And he was, I don't know if he just didn't want me to be alone or he liked me that much, but he got on the wrong bus with me. And we went to the wrong school together. And the principal from the other school had to come pick us up.
At least you weren't alone. He was like, you know, I'll follow you. I'll follow you anywhere.
I'll follow you anywhere. And I don't even remember his name. I'm very sorry.
And that's because we don't respect cis men.
Exactly. Why? You didn't have to get on the wrong bus with me. Nobody told you.
Nobody told you to do that.
Are you a good liar?
No.
I am. And I hate it. I'm sorry.
Look at this face. You think this face can lie?
Yeah.
I'll just start laughing. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes I can. That was a lie
necessary.
too. See, I was lying then. You didn't know. See, I'm a good liar. No, I'm kidding. I'm not a good liar. Or was that a lie?
Shut up! Are you a good judge of character?
No.
No? Sometimes.
Actually, yes.
I think most times. Can you do any other accents other than your own?
We do slip into British accents at times.
Yeah, I'll slip into any accent of anything that I'm watching yet. So we were watching Game of Thrones, and this isn't a Game of Thrones accent yet, but yeah. I used to want to change my accent every time I moved, because I moved a lot as a kid, and I would like talk in a weird accent when I first got there and forget it 2 seconds after. What's your favorite accent? Oh.
You do really like Australian accents?
I like African.
I like Jamaican accents.
Yeah, I was gonna say any place in Africa where like Nigerian accents.
Yeah.
I love Jamaican accents. Yeah, man.
It's just so, I don't know, I just like it. It sounds
You just
so
have to listen extra hard.
Yeah.
That's What is your personality type?
boring. That's my personality.
It's not boring. I think my personality type is outgoing.
Outgoing, bubbly, fun,
Oh.
and like friendly.
Yeah.
Kid friendly.
Yeah.
Not always, but like you are like wholesome in a way.
Oh.
That I feel like kids like.
What is your most expensive piece of clothing? We got this.
That shirt?
At
That's
the
from a
thrift
thrift
store.
store.
I don't have any expensive.
I was like, what do you
pieces of
mean? This shirt actually was $30.
Was it actual merch?
It's actual Black Bear merch. I love him so much that I actually bought his merch.
Every time I
And
go to things, merch money completely slips my mind.
Merch is so much.
It's so much. I have Nike clothes because I work there.
Yeah, Nike stuff. That's expensive. Yeah.
Can you curl your tongue?
No.
I can do that. Just like tell yourself you have to lick the sides of your tongue. Or the sides of your teeth. You're doing it. Are you right-handed or left-handed? We're both right-handed. Are you scared of spiders? Not daddy long legs.
Just because it has the word daddy. No longer scared.
I've never been scared of a daddy because I ain't never had a daddy. I'm just kidding. What position do you sleep in? We usually just cuddle like this. Or like this. And just flip back all night, honestly.
Yeah.
Favorite food? Pho right now.
Shrimp.
Yeah. Anything,
Coconut prawns.
Anything in the ocean.
Lobster.
Crab legs.
Lobster, crab.
Crab legs.
Yeah.
Favorite foreign food? Also crab legs. It's foreign to the poor, which we are.
Okay, I think we'll end it there. Thank you for watching this video. The octopus fact of the day. Female octopuses, when they are pregnant, they go down to their den and they basically just starve themselves to death.
Yeah, they just
protect
watch their eggs. They babysit them to death.
Yep.
And then when they hatch, they're like, cool.
And it's really depressing.
Yeah, it's very sad. They
don't-
get colorless and gray.
They don't get to live that long.
It's like 7 years.
Yeah, that's not a long time. So yeah. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are on this crazy blue planet, and we will see you in the next one.